How to crop video clips in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application on your device and then tap on new project over here. Then select any video that you want to crop out. After that, add it to the editing landscape over here. So here you can crop this video. What you can do is tap on the video over here at the bottom. After tap on the video, you can see different menu over here at the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. Now just swipe it and you can see the option of transform. So just tap on transform over here, then tap on resize. And as you tap on resize, here you'll be able to crop the video wherever you want. For example, like this. And if you're done with cropping, you can tap on the tick icon over here. Then you can tap on any of the editing options if you want. If not, you can just tap on export and you'll be able to crop the video clips and export it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates.